So Mickey Greenfingers is back. I got asked a bit more in detail how we're doing this for a water system so it just feeds itself. Very easy. Get yourself into Wilco's. That is the cheapest place. See this set? We're only £2. You know what I mean? £2. You can't go wrong, can you? So what you have to do is, for your £2 you get 2 adapters and you get one of them adapters. So I've already got an adapter on there. You put that adapter on there and then your 2 adapters, and then you get this adapter which is £1.50, which is bad. So you've only paid a total of £3.50. That plugs into there, and then when you want to water it, you just pop that off there, pop that on there, turn the tap on, bish bash bosh, waters it all the way down.